channel. Today's session is Python tutorial. The first and foremost step to get started with Python tutorial is to set up Python in your system. Now let's dive into the basic and components to learn Python programming. 1. Getting started with Python programming. Welcome to the Getting Started with Python programming section. Here we will cover the essential elements you need to kickstart your journey in Python programming. From syntax and keywords to commands, variables and indentation, we'll explore the foundation concept and underpin Python developments. Number 2. Learn Python input-output. In this segment of Python guide, we explore the fundamental aspects of handling input and output operation in Python, crucial of interacting with users and processing data effectively. From mastering the versatile print function to exploring advanced formatting techniques and efficient methods for receiving your input, this section equips you with necessary skills to harness Python's powers in handling data streams seamlessly. Number 3. Python data types. This session before we will learn about Python data types. Python data types first enabling you need to manipulate and manage data with precision and flexibility. Additionally, we will delve into the dynamic world of data conversion with case studies, and then move to explore the versatile connection Python provides, including list, tuple, set, dictionaries, and arrays.
This is Genreviews. This page was highly most rated and most guided and modern filter choice. Please check the review below the link. The link tab has during the page. Thank you.
Number 4. Python operators. In this section of Python operators, will cover from performing basic arithmetic operations to evaluating complex logical expressions. Here we'll delve into compression operators for making decisions based on conditions, and then explore weakness operators for low-level manipulation of binary data. Number 5. Python conditional statement. Python conditional statement is nothing but a pivotal programming, enabling dynamic decision making and code branching. In this section of Python tutorial, we'll explore Python's conditional logics from basic if-else statement to nested condition and the concise ternary operator.